Hi, nice to meet you. You can call me Betty. I had a high-stress technical job for 14 years, and through 3 mergers, I provided 24/7 support and was a loyal employee. This summer, I was laid off along with some of my favorite team members. I have a mortgage, a husband, a family. I should have been concerned, but I was just so relieved and excited because now I can go rockhounding. I decided to follow my passion, and I bought a 10-inch stainless steel trim saw from Highland Park Lapidary. I had watched videos of people cutting agates, lots of them, so I felt confident that I'd have no issues. Thank you, Kyle from World of Rockhounds, the Rogue Rockhound, currently rockhounding, Katydid Rocks, Agate Ariel, Agate Dad, and many others for instilling this confidence in me. I watched videos of people cutting rocks open. Lots of them. I heard a lot of them say, I sped this footage up. None of that really prepared me for how hard it was going to be to cut my first rock. I made some sort of a 30-degree ramp as I cut my way into the rock. I'm not sure if I need to do something to a brand new blade before I use it. There are definitely gaps in my knowledge here. The blade started to wobble and I started to lose my nerve, but I did manage to power through the rock. It took me a really long time to decide which rock I was going to cut first, and I was somehow afraid that when I opened the rock, it wouldn't be good enough. I found this rock on the Washougal River in southwest Washington. I welcome your opinions on what it might be. I think it could be Jasper, Jasp-agate, or jadeite. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you later.